Ang aking si Kitty nagsasunbathing. Kitty, what? Baba, diyan ka lang muna, walang food. Walang food. You can. How did you go up? And you don't know how to come down? Huh? Come. Hello. You come. Oh, I have plastic. Ella, go down. I come down. Come. Here. Ano na, abutin tayo siyam-siyam. Ella. Bye-bye, Kitty. Bye. Bye, Kitty. Ganda ng weather, guys. Come down na. Ella. Come. Bahala ka dyan. Di kita bigyan ng pagkain. Bye. Bye. Come. She's trying her best. Bakit ang daling umakyat? Ang hirap bumaba. Kung ganyan lang sana kabilis yumaman tapos mahirap kang bumagsak. Na-relate tuloy sa kayamanan. Ella, Kitty. Baba! Uy! Come down! She will come here near with me. But it's okay, better. Come. Better. Oh, easy for you. Come na, Kitty. Come. Come on. Come on na, Kitty. Ang cute mo Ayan, alam mo na yan. Ngayon, hindi ka nahirap. Tingnan mo, pahihirapan pa talaga ng sarili niya. Pwede naman dito. Bakit doon pa talaga siya? Dito, yan, dyan. Tingnan mo, sinuot pa talaga yung ulo niya doon. Ano? Calm down. Nagiatay, ano yun? Bahala ka dyan. Hindi kita bibigyan pagkain. Calm down na, Kitty. Kitty, Ella, calm down. Kitty, calm down. Uy. Come here. Come. Why take you so long? Come here. Bahala ka dyan. Bye-bye. Here na. Baba. Naku po. Inabot na tayo ng 5 minuto din Here, Kitty, here. Here. Parang ugag to. Di ka makakababa, Kitty. Ella, Kitty. Kitty. Tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo. Bahala ka dyan. 5 minuto na tayo. Bye, Kitty. Doon din siya pupunta. Panyaman. Here. Here. Come here, Kitty. Naluka na. Ay, siya, dyan ka na lang.